Yo, what is up guys, this is Simply Supreme. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a sneaker, so make sure you go check out that video so you can get all signed up for that. But today, as you can see, we have our dirty Yeezy 350 V2s, and we're going to be cleaning them, and we're going to be showing you guys the process of how to clean them and how to make them looking just like new. So you can really use any cleaner, but today we are using the Angelus Easy Cleaner Kit, but you can use whatever you'd like. And I apologize for any background noise or birds because we are outside and there is nature. So the first step that we're going to be doing is you need to unlace them. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so now that we have them without the laces, we thought it'd be pretty funny, and it'd be fun to do some footage of these on feet without laces. So let's do it. Okay, I hope you guys like that as much as we did. Now that we have the laces out, let's go ahead and shake this up. Oh, there's no noise. Okay, so it's quite bubbly right now, so we'll let it sit a little bit until we've got most of the liquid back, and then we'll pour it into here. Okay, so now let's pour some into there just like that. Okay, we'll do the right shoe first. Now you just dip a little like that, and you want to make sure you get it nice and soapy like it should. You should be able to see the soap, and then you just scrub like in a circle, not like just one way, unless you're trying to get like something specific out. Just do this. Okay, here's a time lapse of us cleaning the right shoe. Okay, so now that we have the right shoes cleaned, let's go ahead and start on the left ones. Okay, so now that we have them scrubbed, we need to dry them. So it actually comes with this cloth right here, and you basically just go over it. It's a microfiber cloth to get just any dust off so it doesn't get stick on the shoe while it dries. So now I'm going to set this to dry, and then I'll do the same with this one. And while he's doing that, we're just going to go ahead and start washing the white laces. We probably won't do the black laces because you can't really see all the dirt on the black laces. But basically when you clean the laces, you just soak them with this just a little bit, and then now that they have some stuff on it, you can take this and okay, so now that you have them cleaned, just let them sit out to dry for 30 minutes or something, and then you can relace them and everything. So we'll see you guys in around 30 minutes. Now we can lace these all back up, and we're you're pretty much done after you lace them up. So here's a time lapse of us lacing them back up. Okay, so now that we have them all laced back up, you can pretty much just lace them however you had them laced before. My neighbor started working on his yard, so we had to come back inside, but that was pretty much the end of the process of cleaning your shoes. So I hope you guys learned how to clean your shoes, and I hope they look good as new. And I am doing a sneaker giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and sign up for the giveaway. But as always, thank you guys for watching.